Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to mute ringtone or mute incoming call on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, and if you want to mute ringtone or mute incoming calls, so you will see, if you want to mute ringtone, so you will see decrease volume, you will see ringtone is mute. If you want to mute incoming, so you will see mute incoming and ringtone. After mute incoming calls and ringtone, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.